Hey friends, welcome back to Quiz Mentor Tube. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Get ready and try to guess the animal from the emoji on your screen. Let's go. Can you guess the animal from this emoji? Pick the correct animal. Let's guess the animal together. Well done, bulldog. Guess the animal using only emoji. Answer is monkey. Look carefully and guess the animal. So easy, it's dolphin. Guess the animal using only emoji. Excellent, the right answer is bear. Can you guess the animal shown here? Nice, jellyfish is the answer. Try to guess the animal first. Yes, the answer is panda. Use the emoji and guess the animal. It's bat. Easy one. Guess the animal now. Well done, blue whale. Take a look and guess the animal. Right answer is catfish. Can you quickly guess the animal? Excellent, the right answer is chameleon. Let's see if you can guess the animal. So easy, it's mouse. Another round, guess the animal. Very nice, it's butterfly. Guess the animal before time ends. Well done, is kangaroo. Do you know how to guess the animal? Seahorse, the correct animal. This is fun, guess the animal. Excellent, the right answer is chicken. Last one, can you quickly guess the animal name? Animal is wool.